Hi, I am Suganya, Assistant Professor in Department of Business Administration in Dr. S.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to discuss about call by value and call by reference in C program. Okay, let us discuss what is the meaning of call by value and call by reference. Call by value is nothing but while passing the functions, that is the parameters and functions, so only the value is passed. So here in call by reference, while passing the value, the address of that variable is passed here. So whenever the original value in the call by value is not modified, so in case of call by reference, the original value is modified. That is the main difference between call by value and the call by reference. First discuss about call by value. So for that I have created the function called swap function. So and later I have utilized this swap functions here. So let us discuss the code one by one. So first we have to create the function called swap. So I have created the swap function. So let us take it out. So later main. So I have assigned the value called where for the variable a and 9 and b is equal to 20. So here I have to create the function called swap. So how we are going to create means int. So the function name will be of swap. So here I am passing the parameters, two parameters here. So int x comma int y. So here I am creating the function as common function. That's why I have didn't mention the variable a and b. So instead of a and b, I have given the variable name as x and y. So inside of the function, I have written some code here. So for x comma y is equal to y comma x. So this is the code for swapping the values for x to x and y. So I am printing the value. Here I am printing the x and y value. So after that I want to utilize the function called swap here. So swap. So here I am passing the variable a and b. So now I am printing the variable called a and printf variable called b. So let us discuss the output here. So what it's going to do is it's created the function alone. So here I am calling the function called swap. So sorry, in between I have to mention the function definition. So int swap int x comma int y. So here this line comes swap a comma b. It searches the program. So where the swap function is present. So it is present here. So I am passing the variable a comma b. So here the x is replaced with a and y is replaced with b. So the a and b value variable contains the value of 10 and 20. So here so x is replaced with 10 and y is replaced with 20 here. So here automatically the values are changed. Sorry, 20 and 10. So while printing the x value, it contains the result as 20, and in printf y value is 10. This is the output for this one. So again I printf a. So what the a value which contains is defaultly have the value as 10. So printf b is contains value is 20. So in call by value, so the original values are not modified. So in case of call by reference, let us think it out the same line of code you have created. So I am just changing the call by value into the call by reference. So I have created the function. So this is the function definition. Inside of the main I have created a equal to 10 and b equal to the same values I am creating here. So I have created the function. So in creating the function, so we have used the type called pointers. So how the pointer is represented is in the asterisk symbol. So here int star x and int star y, that is the asterisk symbol. So what it will do is it get the address for the concerned variable, so not the value. So this is all same here. So while passing the value alone, so that is the calling the function alone, so we have to change, that is I am passing the only the address, right? So that's why I have given the ampersand a comma ampersand b. So here the a value contains the 10 and b value contains 20, but the original value is not passing, that is the 10 and 20 is not passing. So instead of the passing 10 and 20, it passes the address where the value is stored. So here print of a and print of b. So we will check the output here. So a comma b. So here the passing the values all same. Print of x is 20 and print of y is 10. But in case of print of a, it replaced as 20. Print of b is replaced as 10. So this is the main difference of call by value and the call by reference. Thank you.